Hey there, in the quest to learn more about the various affiliate program options, I've been researching and looking for just different programs because I am working on adding some new affiliate products to some of the websites that I bought this year. And so today we are talking about the Google Shopping affiliate program. That's right, I said Google Shopping. So you may be aware of the Amazon affiliate program, and the fact that Google Shopping is adding an affiliate program, it could be bonkers, right? I don't know yet what the commission details are. It's apparently listed on Commission Junction, of which I am not currently a member, so I couldn't go take a look at it, but I honestly can't think that it's much better than Amazon at all. So you say, why would I bother with Google Shopping? And I say, well, it's Google, right? So if you are producing content on YouTube and on blogs and you're relying upon organic search traffic, you're going to tell me that the Google is not going to prioritize links that could potentially circle back and make Google money? I mean, it's hard for me to imagine how the content that involved Google products couldn't be prioritized over Amazon. Now, I mean, I'm not a tech, I'm not a tech specialist. I don't really know how this would work. But up to this point, Google Shopping is just sort of been an afterthought, right? You go and you search something on in the Google, and then all the results pop up, and you just go, and if you see a product that you like over there, you don't really think about it too much. But most of the time, when affiliates are recommending products, they're not going to be recommending the ones that you see over here on the left. They will be promoting something on Amazon or something to Target, or just to a store where they can get a commission. Basically, Google, I'm sure, sells pretty close to everything. It'll probably be the largest product catalog that there is out there. So they'll sell everything. They'll have the options to have really good prices. So people who like to create content around price comparisons, that could be a really amazing way to create really good content because you'll just have so many choices. And it's there. I mean, it's people automatically trust it. It's Google. You say, oh, well, I'm going to refer you to Google to buy it is, your nuts or your granola or whatever it is that I have been talking about here in this article. So do I think that the affiliate program is going to be any more extraordinary than Amazon? Probably not. I mean, are the commissions going to be extraordinary? Probably not. But is it possible that recommending or working in products that are associated with Google over Amazon could potentially cause your content to just do better organically? I have to think that it's possible, and I think for that reason, people who are focusing on physical products, affiliate promoting, should consider getting involved in this website. They show that their affiliate advertising program or their affiliate promotion program is still in beta, and it's not available everywhere. This is the first, like in the last week, is the first I've really heard of it, and that means nothing because I am certainly not like somebody who is up to date on everything. I mean, I'm paying attention now, but I haven't always paid attention. But I have a feeling that we're going to start hearing more about this. And I mean, I did a search on YouTube right now looking for videos talking about the Google Shopping affiliate program and haven't seen anything yet. So I feel like not a lot of people know about it yet, but I do think that people are going to start talking about it. So I would just keep my ear to the ground if I were you. And if physical products is something that you do on you promote on your website or promote on your YouTube channel, then I would pay attention to this to look to see what sort of commissions there are, and paying attention, maybe doing some comparisons, how the content that refers people back to Amazon does against the content that you create that refers people to Google to make the purchase. I'm super curious. So anyway, this is the talk about the Google Shopping affiliate program, and let me know if you've heard about it. I'd love to know if you have heard about it and you know what the commission details are, because I have not seen those yet. And we will see you in the next one. Thanks.